Greetings to all melanated people all around the world. It's really a joy. It's really a blessing to be out here. And right where I'm sitting right here, it's a field of where they normally plant ginger. Okay, and you can hear the river right next there. And I'm really grateful for this new location. Okay, I want to thank each and every one for their support, and I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. Now, even before I go any further, I want to make something quite clear. There are many who will listen to my videos, and I do not know where they will get the impression from to think that I have any prejudice or anything against any person based on the color of their skin or any person based on race. All that I'm just trying to do is to educate our people concerning how to interpret the Bible so it can be of benefit in their life and to come to their true identity and their true spirituality and their true divinity, because each and every one of us in this life, we want to find happiness in our lives. And so I've come to realize that we were never taught anything concerning the Caucasian throughout our entire life. So we have no idea about the Caucasian people. All we would have known is what they would have taught us in school concerning slavery, and that was all. And I've come to realize that they know more about us than we really know about them. And then I've come to realize that this whole system is set up in a way to cause division and to cause and to rule and to conquer the minds of people. Okay, and that is why I want to speak today to you on the topic of unity, and to show you that we need to unite. And when I say to unite, we must merge our energy together. Okay, now with all of that being said, I just want to give you a little update of what I've been about for this year 2018 and what I am hoping to achieve. And for all of us, it's not just for me but for all of us. Okay, now I've started my own bodybuilding federation because bodybuilding and fitness have always been a part of me. And I remember when I did give it up and choose the Bible, I went through my Abraham experience where the inner man inside of me spoke to me and told me that it was just a test and that it is now given back to me both naturally and spiritually. And so as I would have gotten all of my experiences, they were happening in the natural to bring me to show me the spiritual. That's why some of the things I can teach you, I can show you that everything in the natural is basically to teach you the spiritual. Okay, and so I've started the Caribbean Organic Bodybuilding, the Caribbean Organic Bodybuilding and Fitness Federation. And the 28th of April of this year, I'll be having my third show, which is called the Vinci All Natural Bodybuilding Classic. I will have had 2 shows before, and this is where I'll be launching my new federation. And also on the 3rd of February of this year, I'll be launching my Youth Health and Wellness Academy, and I'll be getting youths involved in healthy lifestyle and in exercise and so on, and basically it's for free. And also I'll be having my Youth Health and Wellness Festival on the same 28th of April, and that would be basically in the day, and the bodybuilding and fitness show would be in the night. And I want to encourage you who would listen to me that if you feel led in any way to support this venture, I'll be very much grateful. And once you want to sow a seed, I will not forbid you from sowing a seed. Okay, and in any way that you feel led to support, it will be well appreciated. And I want to take this health and wellness throughout the entire Caribbean, but I'm starting in my country first, and then I'm moving to the Windward Islands, which is St. Vincent, Grenada, St. Lucia, and Dominica, and then to the OECS, which is 11 different countries, and then to the Eastern Caribbean. Okay, and then maybe, I'm not quite sure as yet, I might move to Central America. Okay, and then even more international. So I want to update you on that, and I want to let you know that I have a lot of ideas. And if anyone is interested in doing any form of business along that line with me, you can contact me at blackmatguru@gmail.com, and we can speak. Okay, because to be honest with you, I realize a lot of the things that I want to do, there must be a connection with persons who have like mind in places like America and so on, Canada, even England, to merge with the Caribbean, okay, or to merge with me to do certain things so we can accomplish certain things together, because unity is strength, and we need to unite our energy, and we need to work and creating our reality consciously, and we need to build our own economy. And when I say our own economy, I am not speaking about separation. I am speaking about a people coming into their fullness, a people living in their abundance, a people that is more united, a people that is more strong, a people who are more able to stand on their 2 feet financially, because they have learned to interpret the Bible psychologically, because they believe in themselves, because they trust the God within themselves, because they accept their own human imagination to be the creator, and they can use their imagination consciously to help them to create their reality. And it is also to help those who would like to leave when it's winter and you want to come and enjoy the sun down here in the tropics. For that to be possible, there's certain things we have to do, there's certain things we have to put together. So we definitely need to work together, and we need to work closely, and we need to support each other in whatever we do. And that is why, since I started my YouTube channel, I've never asked anyone for donation or any such thing. You have to understand the law of sowing and reaping. You have to understand the law of agriculture. You have to understand for yourself what it means to have a true messenger bring a message to you to lift you higher and higher. And that is why I'm encouraging you. Let us walk together in unity so that we can be strong, and so that we can help each other to achieve their goals. Okay, so with that being said, I want to encourage each and every one of you to work on your goals, know what you love in this world, know what has always been your desire and what you always want to manifest. Don't go outside that which you do not love because you want to attract money. But let it be a part of you. Let it be something that you would do out of pure love. Okay, so with that being said, my brothers and my sisters, I think I got my message across to you. And as usual, every time I'm doing my first video, it's just like a warm-up. You know, sometimes I be fighting here and there for words, and then afterwards everything just keep flowing. Okay? So I want to thank you very much, and as usual, I want to give you the sign of the one eye. Matthew 6:22 says, if your eye be single, your whole body will be full of light. Let us be the light of the world by walking together in unity, because unity is strength. Peace. Love you. I'm out.